Hello Jollinatics! For today's video, mahilig ba kayo sa Chinese food? If yes, meron kaming share sa inyong quality and authentic Chinese food na may enjoy nyo at the convenience of your home. And if Chinese food lover ka, malamang alam mo na to, pero kung hindi pa, this is fatlock.ph and sumubo kami ng ilan sa kanilang mga Chinese comfort food tulad nitong pork maki na bagay partner sa kanilang mee or noodles and their ever famous kiampong. We also tried their fried meatballs and siopaw bola-bola. And wag na nga natin patagalin to, starting with their maki. This is a famous Chinese soup that has that very thick consistency. And ito yung kanilang regular size which is ideally for 2 to 3 packs na. And as you can see, sobrang lapot talaga niya. Tapos yan yung pork meat niya and the usual partner nito is their mee which is the noodles. Kaya yung tawag sa kanya is maki mee. Basically, sasabawan mo lang yung noodles ng ganyan and make sure lang na nahalo talaga at coated lahat para even yung flavors. The noodles was firm and when it comes to taste, sobrang light lang ng timpla ng maki. Akala ko kasi kanina based on the appearance ng soup, sobrang malasa siya which is okay lang for me. Minsan kasi pag sobrang malasa, may umay factor din eh. Meron din nga pala tong kasamang black vinegar. Sinubukan ko pero hindi siya para sa akin eh. For me, yung mismong lasa ng soup can stand on its own pero it's up to you pa rin if lalagyan nyo ng black vinegar. And yung mismong pork naman malambot tapos meron siyang gelatinous feeling kapag kinakain mo. And punta naman tayo sa kanilang famous kiampong. Yung sahog niya may pork, may beans, may mushroom, and carrots. May kasama na rin yung nuts which is up to you kung gusto nyo ilagay. Yung itsura niya para siyang chow fan eh pero yung lasa ang laki ng difference. Lightly seasoned lang din kasi to. For me, nasarapan talaga ako sa pagkakaluto sa rice. Alam mo yung kahit a bit sticky pero buhaghag pa din eh. O diba, contradicting? Pero basta ganun yung feeling eh. Kumbaga para akong kumakain ng paella pero Chinese version. And kung ako tatanungin nyo, mas prefer ko tong kapartner ng maki compared dun sa noodles kanina. Sarap ng combination nila eh. Yung fried meatballs naman nila, masarap din, manamis-namis yung lasa niya. Para akong kumain ng embutido na binilog and yes, bagay din siya dun sa kiampong. Yung siopaw bola-bola naman, sa sobrang busog ko, kinabukasan ko na nakain and yung ratio ng meat feeling, kita nyo naman proportion. Meaty at manamis-namis yung timpla, not sure lang if wala talaga siyang kasamang siopaw sauce or nakalimutan lang. But still, masarap din to for me. So there you go, Jollinatics. If you're looking for that authentic Chinese comfort food at tinatamad kayo lumabas ng bahay, try here at fatlock.ph. Ito yung menu nila and feel free to message them sa kanilang Facebook page for any other inquiries.